Nisanda pinda mdima CHIMBO CHAMAIMBA national anthem chikatanga chaicha MUSACHIDZOKORORA was bad.
This is President Emmerson Mnangagwa of Zimbabwe, expressing his dissatisfaction during a recent event. The incident occurred during the official handover of vehicles to 100 chiefs in Harare. President Mnangagwa publicly criticized his aides for playing what he deemed to be a poor recording of the national anthem. The president was there to present 100 chiefs with Isuzu double-cab vehicles as part of government efforts to enhance their critical role in society. Despite the anthem incident, the event proceeded as planned. The president of Zimbabwe reiterated the government's commitment to providing medical insurance and funeral assistance to chiefs, headmen, and village heads. President Mnangagwa also highlighted various initiatives aimed at improving the lives of chiefs, including the construction and maintenance of access roads, electrification of their homes, provision of water and sanitation facilities, and agricultural support programs. National Chiefs Council President Mnangagwa expressed gratitude for the government's support, stating that traditional leaders appreciated the vehicles, allowances, medical assistance, and borehole drilling provided to them. The reason for the president's dissatisfaction with the anthem recording remains unclear. He later instructed his aides not to use the same recording at any events he attends. This incident has sparked discussions about the quality of national symbols and their representation. As the story develops, we will continue to bring you the latest updates. For now, this is where we sign off. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates. Until next time.